Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO 14th Doctor. So without any further ado, let's begin. The legs and hands come from this Newt Scamander minifigure. The torso I used comes from this Train Driver minifigure. The head I used comes from Gar Saxon. And finally the hair comes from this CMF minifigure. If you've built your minifigure correctly, it should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this minifigure has turned out, and I took inspiration from some other builds that I've seen all over Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend leaving a like and maybe subscribing if you haven't already. An idea is always welcome, but I have a lot to get through at the moment. If you want to know how to make a classic Doctor, like the third Doctor for example, I will put that on the end screen now for you to click.